Oh my god, this Norwegian weather is killing me. No energy at all. But I think I have a solution. So now we are talking. I just need something to lift my energy up. Now my energy level is high. Actually, it was. I created new album in no time. Sometimes you just need something to boost your energy. I've got so many requests from you ladies to make an album that is very easy and quick to make. I listened to you and there it is. This cute little thing is just perfect for you to make for any present. It's not gonna take you much time. You will see, I promise you. I made this album with Stamperia papers. This is something new. Usually I always make albums with Graphene 45 papers. I'm just, I don't know why, but I just like those papers. The collection from Stamperia is called Grand Hotel, and it's very, very beautiful. It has like blue, green, reddish colors, but it's so tricky because all these papers and a pad. So I used like paper pad with 22 pattern papers, and it's so tricky because they're like florals and stripes and no solids, and it's so it's kind of harder to combine them, but I think I made it perfect. Now I invite you to come closer and check this album out, and I hope you will get inspired to create one like I did. Just to remind you, there is also a tutorial in my Etsy store how to make this album, and please don't forget to subscribe or like or even leave a comment. And if you have any questions or maybe some suggestions what you would like me to do, you know, what kind of papers to use or maybe what kind of project to make, your suggestions will be more than welcome. And now please come closer. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Look at these papers. I mean, this beautiful tag. The album 6 by 6 inches, and here on the front I created 2 frames. I covered them in fabric and embellishments from Prima. These embellishments are originally like shabby chic colors, but I used some antiquing cream and made it like old antique looking. And here on the corners I used also embellishments from Prima, and here on the side I created 2 chipboard embellishments and covered them with paper, and again this is Prima embellishment. And now let's go to the inside. Here is cover page. Oh, and embellishments, I mean tags in this paper collection, they are so beautiful. They remind me, I mean, they're just perfect if you want to make, like I mentioned before, for a present, but for a girl, not for a man, because look at these colors. I mean, all the colors you can imagine on one paper. All these like presents, and you will see chairs and chandeliers and bags. So all these, I mean, oh, just beautiful. Here, let's go on page 1. A tag I attached onto the flap, and look at that. You have 2 flaps on the inside, and then here is the pocket. So you will create something, put a photo inside, and you have, look, so many tags that are left, so you can just use them in the album. And that closes, and of course it closes. And another page. Oh, look at that. Isn't this beautiful? And all these stripes and florals, and just gorgeous. and here you open, you have a pocket on the inside, and then you have here, and look at this beautiful tag. You can journal or you can put a little photo in here, the opposite side. And look at that, isn't this beautiful? And here you have space for a photo, and then you just tuck photo behind the tag, but you have to, of course, adhere your photo down, otherwise it's gonna fall out of your album. And then here, look at that again, let me find it. So this is a pocket, and look at this beautiful tag. And also quotes are very nice in this paper collection. And then you have here, and then here I created another tag, and you just place your photo here. Where you see cardstock here, there where your photos should be. So I didn't put my photos here. I will just remove this, and it will be ready to give it to somebody for a present. Okay, let's go to the next page. Here on this page, I created small flap with a pocket and this beautiful tag inside. And here you place photo here. Didn't I tell you this is very easy album? So I think it is. And here you have two flaps. See here, photos, and then this one will open, and here is another tag. You can journal or you can place your photo here. The opposite page is another beautiful tag, and here is some space for photograph, and this opens, and then you have here more photos. More spaces for photo, and this one also opens. Look at that. This is so beautiful. Okay, ladies, we are almost finished. My energy is getting a little bit low again, but okay, just stay till the end. When you create small albums, it's so hard to figure it out how you want to create them, because if you don't want pages to be boring, you really have to add some special touch for pages to stand out. And I try to create, like putting tags on another tag and on another flap, on another tag. So here you can see it's one tag attached to another, and then here when you open the flap, you see from the inside it's again another tag. So that makes this this flap more attractive. And here you can see smaller flap and also one tag attached onto. So I think this makes just more, it gives that special look to the album. Here on the next page you will see it's again a little small flap and then a tag attached to the inside of the flap. And here from the outside I created and adhered pocket down, and here is photo mat. So see, it looks more beautiful. It's not like boring. And here on the inside, look at that. It's so beautiful. And here on the inside, you have smaller flap. On the last page, I created a flap with a pocket. And here is cute tag for journaling, or you can place photo here, whatever you want to do. And look at this beautiful tag with suitcases. And it opens. And there you go. And here on the last cover page, on the back cover page, I just placed photo mat a tag. So you can put small photo here. You can make it in a circle shape, or you can just journal. No. What do you think? Is it easy to make, or is it still too hard to make? I hope for all of you ladies that wanted something easier and quicker, this is something that will do. Grab these papers if you don't have them. I only used one paper pad to make it. There are still some scraps left, and here's some tags left from the paper. I hope you got some energy to start making this. If not, then there's always a solution. But you know what, please don't do the same as I did, because if you have a bad heart, I don't suggest drinking energy drinks. Just find something else for it to boost your energy. And now it's time for me to go on vacation somewhere warmer. Otherwise I'm gonna go crazy to be here all winter. Thank you for watching. Grab these papers and make this album.